Well, howdy explorers. We are officially halfway through our meatless goal here. And what better way to celebrate with another burger off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook 3 different types of patties that I had in my fridge. We're gonna grill them. Cook 3 of them, split them in half, and then me and Amy are gonna share them and tell you what we think. So, on the menu today, we have got the Gardein Ultimate Beefless Burger, which is that slimy looking dude right there. We've got the Morningstar Farms Prime Griller, which is that bad boy right there with a little bit of frostbite on him. And then Morningstar also has this new offering, 1/4 pound meat lovers vegan burger. 27 whopping grams of plant-based protein. Goodness. 27 grams of plant-based protein. And that's this big bad boy right here. I can already tell you, these smell beefy. They smell like they've got liquid smoke and all kinds of other stuff in them. And I don't know if any of these are... Let's see here. Wheat gluten, protein. Interesting. This one is... yeah, a lot of binders. There's a lot of random binders in these. This one's mostly soy, I think. So, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. No, this one, it's kind of like this weird slimy coating on it. It just smells. And the Morningstar one smells similar. But man, that thing smells like a... smells like a burnt chicken nugget. That's weird. That smell. I know you've left a chicken nugget in the oven too long and got it burnt. So let's go warm the grill up. Then we're going to grill them. Then we're going to serve them with some cheese on a bun with tomato and toppings. Didn't get any lettuce. I'll put some onion on it. Pickles on mine, definitely. Alright. I'll get these guys grilling. We'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, it's noon o'clock out here in North Alabama. So, what do these bad boys look like in the direct sunlight? This thing just looks freezer burnt. Hot dogs for Grayson, because we're not making her go through this torture. But this one said to put some oil on it before you threw it on the grill. And so, and this is the one I said was slimy. So this sucker's going to stick. I guarantee it. It's going to stick all through this grill. But otherwise, we're going to get this bad boy about a medium heat. Throw these on there. I'm going to go for about, oh, I don't know, probably about 12 minutes. Flip in between. Okay, so the lighting out here is terrible, so we'll do this quick. Giving these guys their first flip about 5 minutes through. We're going to leave them on for about another 5. That one just got a little darker. That one got a little bit of a crisp to it, and that one formed some lines, but that was the one that was slimy, and I said would have to have oil on it. So, the oil made this stuff smoke. After I closed it up and I let the flame come up a little bit and come to temp, made this sucker smoke. So, we'll see. Also, hot dogs. Hot dogs. Okay, close it up. Finish it off. Taste test. Y'all, I did a dumb thing. I flipped one, and when I flipped it, it went straight between the grates. So, here's my biggest negative about any of these burgers besides them not tasting good. Is they're all tiny. They're tiny little hockey pucks that if you flip them, they go between the grates. So, now I'm going to have to dig that sucker out when I get done later and try not to let my grill catch fire. Because it's going to turn into a big old chuck of charcoal. Also, that side was the one that was more oiled up. Also is the side that got a little bit crispier. And it did stick. See? Sticky stuff. Sticky stuff. Not protein from meat. Plant protein. Sticky. Even though it had like a full coating of olive oil on it. What the heck? Sun's bright. Look at that. Look how light I am. Ghost. 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 Anyway. Alright guys, so here's what we got, finished product. On a wheat bun, that one's the Gardein burger, the one I said was slimy. You can tell it's not meat. It's got some tomato, mayonnaise, cheese, that's Colby Jack, and pickles with some ketchup and mustard on there too. And that's the Morningstar beefy one, the quarter-pound burger. And once again, you can tell that is not beef, but it actually looks pretty decent. So I split these in half, so I'll get my reaction and see what Amy thinks about each one too. Okay, alright, so let's start with the Gardein burger, because it's the one I feel the sliminess of this one out of the box really kind of makes me just be like, eh. Let's try it. That's not bad. Flavor's good. Texture's not there, not at all. Kind of spongy. Kind of expected that. A little bit spongy. You can tell it's got an artificial meat flavor to it, but it's not bad. As far as veggie burgers, I mean, I know it's not a veggie or a black bean burger. It's pretty good. So let's try the Morningstar one, the big boy, the quarter-pound burger. It doesn't taste like anything. That's weird. Everything disappears with everything else. The tomato and the pickle, it just disappears. It's, I mean, when you get the char from the grill on there, you can taste that, but that's weird. I don't taste anything. That's strange. So I guess Gardein wins that because honestly, it just felt like I was eating more bun. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my lunch. Had some little green pea wasabi ranch little thingies. Finish up. That Gardein burger's not too bad flavor wise. Not the worst, not the best. Amy likes the Gardein burger. Anyway, that's our opinion. We're experts now. 20 days without meat. I'm gonna eat this pea thing. Sure would be a lot better if it was like a piece of bacon. Yeah, I'm really glad vacation is right after this because we're gonna eat everything. Till our next meatless adventures. I'll see you guys.